our syllabus requirement is what benefit they bring. They means occupational health and safety management system or ISO 45001 or ILO OSS 2001. It is mentioned in the syllabus what are the benefits of having a formal certified health and safety management system. The question may be asked, we have put the heading benefits of achieving ISO 45001 certification or benefits of having formal or certified occupational health and safety management system. Advantage of achieving occupational health and safety management certification for an organization. We can start the answer like this. An effective and certified occupational health and safety management system provide following benefits. It minimizes the risk of production delay because there will be the very few accident. Chances are even in the very minimum accidents, there is no chances of an accident. Even then, it may be one or two minor accident may be there. It provides a safe environment to do the business. It demonstrates that top management commitment to maintain an effective health and safety policy at the workplace. It makes organization more efficient because the chances of accident injuries are very less. So people work much more efficiently manner. Maintains and meet the legal requirements. That's why we have received the ISO or any occupational health and safety management system certification. Helps to improve staff morale by making the workplace a safer environment to work in. Includes it provides improves business reputation. It improves business reputation because everybody is familiar that this organization is not getting any major accident and they have achieved the ISO certification also. So it is going to improve the reputation of the business and the organization also. Increase opportunity to gain new businesses by competitive advantage to an organization because lot of competition is there and you have implemented the certified occupational health and safety management system. It means you are more committed towards the providing the better health and safety at your workplace. So once you are going for tendering activities, if you have this ISO 45001 certification system, you will be identified a better prospective and safe contractor. Minimizes the risk of downtime through accident because the accident will be very less. So downtime also will be of the production activity will be very less. Cost saving from public liability insurance premium as your company is not going to get any accident or incident in a period of a 1 year. So next year the insurance company is not going to increase the premium and they already familiar you have implemented the occupational health and safety management system that is very effective. So chances of the any injury accident are very less. So it is going to be save your possible future cost is going to save. It provides a robust system to maintain the occupational health and safety management. Each and every hazard risk you have analyzed and you have put the additional control measures. So you have made the system is very robust. Finally, continually improving the health and safety at the workplace because this is a standard requirement also and you have already implemented the standard and it is going to help you to continually improving the health and safety at the workplace. So these are the benefits of an organization can have by achieving the occupational health and safety management certification